Okay, today is Wednesday, October 6th. I'm back at Civic Center Square, or Civic Center Mall area. I'm going to shoot some more video today. This time I'm going to be on the eastern side of the mall mostly. Here I am up here by the fountains currently. Testing out my Rode smartLav Plus today. See if it improves my audio any. Oh, wait a second. Damn it. I got my settings going here. Let's get that done. Alright, wide balance locked, exposure locked, focus locked. Alright, this is just pretty much a test video now. So I'm going to start walking back this way. Here I am currently at City Hall, right outside City Hall here. Go around the side of City Hall. Go around here. It's a library straight ahead of me there. Over here is a sunken restroom. I'm not sure if this is going to be left here during the renovation or if this will be removed as part of the renovation. Not really sure. But we will see. Alright. Moving east now. Going around behind City Hall. Got a little bit of breeze on me now, so that'll help me know if the windscreen on my lavalier mic will be working or not. Climbing up here towards a little fountain that's out back here. Not sure how this area will be reshaped here. It's supposed to be fixing it up so there's going to be a pavilion or something, or a staging area back here for the library. Over there was a monument that was removed. I don't remember what that monument was. Might have been a war memorial or something. Can't recall. Up here we have a monument straight ahead of us here. Walk up here. This might just be some kind of ventilation system for the restroom. I'm not sure. Appears to just be some kind of ventilation system for the restroom. That's all that really is. There's a back, sort of a back door to the library. At least an entrance from this side here. This way. I was stating in one of my earlier videos, I believe that this end of this pond area here will be redone so as to reduce the size of this pond, and then that'll give them more area in here for venues, set up tents, whatnot, so they have more exhibition space during their festivals than they currently have. Let's walk on around this way. Going back towards City Hall here. Go over here to the north side. Shows up in the video here. I'm going to show that down here, these white lines that are on the pavement here represent where the fence will run when they start setting that up on October 11th. Fence will run here, along here, where this white line is. We'll cut across in front of City Hall here. And that'll be part of the perimeter fencing. And the fence continues right along the side of this. Or it will. It runs down through here. Run down along this fence here, this railing. Looks like it'll cut right across here, straight over to that wall right there. So it runs right like that. So back here, this all will be open, apparently. This won't be fenced in. The fence will start right here where I'm standing now. This would be the fence, and then now I'm moving inside the fence. Now moving back into the mall area here. This is looking back west again. So walk over here a little ways. Walk over kind of AZ88 back over here. the grass here, which is the Performing Arts Center. Looks like nearly all of the picnic tables have been removed. I don't see any of the picnic tables that were usually out here today. Benches, but even the portable bench or the metal bench that was over in front of the Performing Arts Center is gone now. No really place to sit out here currently, other than the more established concrete benches and whatnot. This will be a test of my lavalier mic here today. Also shooting this at 16:9 aspect ratio and 30 frames per second, so it's different from the 24 frames per second I have been shooting, so let's see how that works. Go here and then video down. I'll take care of the east end of the mall area. This is all the area up here through I've been through before. So I'm going to end this video right here. People out here enjoying the mall area before it gets shut down. So someday we'll learn how to use this gimbal. But